channel. It's your girl Kudi Slay Queen, and as you can see, my eyebrows has been done, and also there's something going on up here, but we are not going to worry about that. What we are going to be focusing on is this Maybelline Soda Pop eyeshadow palette. It has some beautiful colors in there, so I'm going to be working with this. So if you want to see what comes up with this one and how I feel about this eyeshadow palette, then stay tuned and enjoy this ride with me. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is to conceal my eyelid. Then I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Then the next thing that I'll be doing now is to blend out the foundation. Concealer, sorry. So let's get started with the Soda Pop eyeshadow palette by Maybelline New York. So I don't want to do too much, but I think I'm going to go with this one, the Cherry Pop, this color right here. I think I'll be going in with that first. I think I'm going to be doing something, you know, not too much. I'll be going in with a different brush just to blend all the edges out. Oops, there's a little fallout from this eyeshadow palette, but it's pigmented. And now I'll be going in with this color right here. It's the Grape Pop color, this one right here. I think I'll be going in with this color right here. Tonic is the name, so I'll be putting that at the inner corner. This is a really nice, beautiful color eyeshadow palette, guys. It's really good. I've actually watched a lot of review on it on YouTube, then I'm like, okay, why not just get this and try it out? And I went to Walmart and I found it. I'm like, yeah, this is good. It's less than $10. So if you want to give it a try, then go ahead and grab you one. This is really good. Like, you guys can see how pretty that is. Then after that, I'm going to be going in with this brush again, just to apply a little of the Grape Pop to the side, just to blend it out a little. And I'll also be blending in the top of the purple color eye up. What did I just say? Up? That is that about that. The next thing that I will be doing now is to apply my eyeliner. I'll be using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Oh, don't worry about it. We're going to clean it up. Every makeup that people does is always a try and an error. Not every makeup that we watch on video, it's perfect the way they are doing it. There's a lot of mistakes that a lot of people make, but you know, it's this thing. Then we have to clean it up. This is a really nice eyeshadow palette. It's very, very pigmented. Now we cleaned that part off, so I'm going to have to, you know, straighten out the eyeliner that I was doing that got messed up by me. So now that I'm done with the eyeliner, the next thing that I'll be doing is to apply my mascara. We'll be using the L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. And after applying my mascara, I will be right back because I need to apply my eyelashes out. Welcome back. Now that I have applied my eyelash, the next thing that I'm going to be doing is to be cleaning the bottom of my eyes so that we can start applying the foundation. That's, you know, the next thing to do. What I'm going to be doing after cleaning my under eye is to apply my primer. So I will be using the Maybelline Master Prime. So after that, I'm going to be color correcting my under eye. The reason why I'm doing it is because I've noticed that in all of my previous video that I always have a little hard time covering my under eye, so I decided to, you know, color correct that. After this, I'm going to be blending. So the orange corrector is going to give you a little more coverage of the foundation for wherever you have any dark spot or something. It's not all foundation is full coverage, but if you color correct from the beginning, then you can have more coverage from part of the face that you want covered. So after that, I'll be using the Revelon Colorstay combination / oil SPF 15 in 410. And I'm also going to be using my Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush. This foundation is not a full coverage foundation, but if you want more full coverage, then you can just add more of the foundation, but not too much. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing after this is I'm going to be using my beauty blender just to smoothen the face out. So after that, I'm going to be concealing my under eyes, and I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide.
And after that, I'm going to blend.
The skies, all because of you. Dripping lights, paint the skies. Only you can make me move.
Then after blending, we're going to contour. I'm not going to be using any cream contour today, so I'm going to be setting my under eye. Then I'll be using the Airspun loose face powder. Applying a little eyeshadow just to smoke out my under eyes. But first thing first, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master kajal to line my waterline. going in with my eyeshadow to smoke out my under eye, and then I'll be using some of the brushes that I used. And the first thing I'll be going in with the colors that I use first, which is the cherry top. After smoking out the under eye, the next thing that I'll be doing is I'm going to be applying this into my waterline, and I'll be using this little angle brush just to apply that to my waterline.
Can make me move. You can make me move.
So after that, I'm going to have to dust off all this out of my face, and I'll be using Radiance True Complexion Soft Focus Finish Powder. And after that, the next thing that I'm going to be doing right now is to contour a little bit, but I'll be using the powder contour, and I'll be using the black Radiance Press Powder Oil Free Formula Matte Finish. It's one of my old powder too. It's almost gone, but it's still useful, right? So after that, I'm going to have to use my foundation, my beauty blender, I mean, just to blend all the setting powder out. The next thing that I'm going to be doing now is to bronze up my face with a little bronzer. So now the next thing to do is to set the whole face. So I'm going to be using, like you all know, in all of my video, I use the Crease Professional Protouch setting spray. Then I'm going to be using that to, you know, look it up. So now that we have set our face, the thing that I'm going to be doing is to highlight. So I will be using the Revlon Photo Ready Sunlight Dream. And I will be using this brush right here. So after highlighting, the next thing that we're going to be doing is to apply some blush. So I'll be using the classic blush 10 color blush palette by BH Cosmetics. I'll be using that. So after that, I think I forgot to highlight my eyebrows, so that's what I'm going to be doing next. So what else to do is now, who says what else to do is now? What else to do now is to apply my lip color, lip paint. So I'm going to be using this. I don't know which one I should use. Maybe I should use this, maybe I should use this. This is the lip color that I wanted to go with. And by the way, this is Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in the shade Bear to Comment. I'm going to list every product that I use on the description box. So if you would like to check it out, then go ahead and check it. Also, if this is your first time watching my video, remember there's a subscribe button that you can press down there or somewhere at the bottom. Just go ahead and click the red button, and also there's a bell that says, you know, notification, so that every time I'm doing my magic and you wanted to see, then you can get notified. So go ahead and do that. So I will be applying this Wet and Wild Super Plum Fairy 908C. After that, the next thing that we are going to be doing now is, I think I'm going to be, you know, doing some little thing to dress my under eyelash. And by the way, I'm using the Covergirl Total Ease. Then voila, we're done with the under eye. So what else? This is the final look, and then I would like to hear what you guys think about this look. I achieved this look for you guys. Then okay, if you love what you're seeing right now, just go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you think about this whole look. And also, if this is your first time of watching my video, subscribe to my channel so you can see more of how this journey is going with me. Then also remember to click the notification bell, so every time I upload my video, then you can get notified. So thank you for watching this video one more time. Then I will see you in my next video. Bye.